to make a lot of money on Facebook ads. And I understand when you open a dashboard of your Facebook ads, you see so many metrics: CPM, reach, impression, CTR, hook rate, percentage views. So these are matrices that people generally use for the Facebook ads. But I will change your perspective from how you can use only these four matrices to change, to see what ad, to see which ad is performing, to see which ad is performing and which is not performing. You only need these four simple matrices to identify your whole campaign and whole funnel, right? So for those who are new to my channel, my name is Divyang and I am running Facebook ads from 2020 and able to generate more than 75 million in revenue for my client. So so if you so if you so if you want me to run ads for your business, you can reach out to me using the link in descriptions, and I'll just tell you what it is all about, right? So four important metrics for Facebook ads. First one is CPM, cost per thousand impressions. CPM tells the size and appeal of the audiences. If ad has a low CPM, it means it has generic appeal, or you can say broader audience, or it is reaching out to the very general audience, right? If ad has high CPM, it means it is reaching out to small or targeted audience. Generally what people tell you is to see CPM. If the CPM is high, it means that CPM, if the CPM is high, that your ad is not good, or it is your ad is not up to that mark, right? So from this point, now see CPM as metrics that tell you if your now see CPM as a matrix that if your CPM is high, or your CPM is it see if your CPM is high, right? It is above your general CPM, right? Your average CPM. It means it is reaching out to small audiences, or you say more targeted audiences. Let's suppose if you are selling something very niche specific, and obviously the CPM will be high because you are targeting very small group of audience. It may be good for you. So don't think of CPM, if it is high, it is not a good ad. It means it is reaching out to the very specific targeted audience that you want to focus on. And if the CPM is generic, if the CPM is low, it means it is reaching out to the broader audiences, or you can say open targeting, or you can say very generic appeal, right? If so, so generally what people do is so generally what people say is, if your CPM is lower, it means it is a good ad, or if the CPM is high, it is a bad ad, right? See, if an ad has a low CPM, it is better at getting attention but very less efficient in driving conversion, right? Like it is reaching out to the broader audience, and it is reaching, and it is giving low CPM. It means it is grabbing good attentions but very less efficient in driving conversions. Now second option, now second, right? So don't get scared with the CPMs, that if it is really high, it is low. In the future matrices, I will tell you how to use this CPM to see which ad is performing, right? Second matrix is frequency. Frequency tell us how many times a day somebody see your ad. We don't need to look frequency by whole week or 14 days. It is irrelevant. You need to see, go to your ad set and see what kind of frequency is there day by day. Let's see, if you are running from 7 days, see for 7 days, not just by 7 days, whole 7-day average period, or whole 14-day average period, or even for a month. If you see it by month, it doesn't make any sense. It just like you will see very different metrics, right? So you don't get any particular information out of that CPM, out of the frequency by whole 7 days or 14 days. Start seeing frequency day by day. Break it down by day by day. Let's see, on Monday you are getting 1.1, or on Tuesday you 1.4, on Wednesday 1.2, or on Thursday 1.1, or on Friday you are getting one frequency. See, if you see it by 7 days, it will be like 1.5. It won't make any sense to you. Like you are fine, you will see that it is reaching out to the new audiences, or repeating the, if you see it if you see 7-day average of the frequency 1.5 or 1.8, it won't make any sense. Start seeing it by day. If your frequency is 1.1, that means 10% of the people are watching, then 10% of people are watching your ad twice a day. If your frequency is 1.5, then 50% of the people are watching your ad twice a day, right? If if you if you see these frequency by let's suppose for 7 days, and it show you 1.8, I'm just saying that it is showing you 1.8, that means 80% of the people are watching your ad twice of the day, right? But if but right, and if you see your bigger campaigns, like for if you check the frequency of the bigger campaigns, like the ads that are running for more than 30 days, you will see their frequency is 2.4 or 2.0. That means 50% of the people, that means 100% of the people are watching your ad twice a day. So that doesn't give you a whole perspective of what kind of frequency you're getting on day by day. If you are start seeing your frequency day by day, you will see that where your ad is placing. Lower frequency means prospecting ad. You are showing your ad fewer times to broader audiences. Higher frequency means retargeting. You are showing your ad to small group of audiences. See, if you see it by 7 days, you will see like 1.8 and 80% of the people are watching your whole ad. But you need to break it down by day. Then only you will to see. Then only you will be able to see which ad is reaching to the which ad is reaching to which ad is showing to multiple times in a day, that particular or that particular ad, or if it is a high frequency, that obviously means it is retargeting ad. You are showing your ad to small group of audiences. So basically, if your frequency is 1.5, then you are showing your ad to small group of people multiple times. That is retargeting ads. Even at 1.5, it is retargeting ads, because you are showing your that particular ad 50% of the time. That means 1.5 means 50% of the people, your 50% of the people are watching your ad twice a day. That means it's a retargeting ads, right? Now this will blow your mind. Prospecting campaigns have low CPM and low frequency. Retargeting ads have high CPM and high frequency. Now comes the third matrix, that is efficiency. Efficiency is a measure. Efficiency is measured by cost per result. That is, this is not efficiency is measured by cost per result. It doesn't go with the ROAS or return on investment. It goes by cost per acquisition or cost per result. Prospecting ad with low CPM and low frequency generally have prospecting ads with low CPM and low frequency generally have lower efficiency. That mean cost per result is higher for the prospecting ads. If you turn off these ads, you will see huge loss in. If you turn off these ads, like you are getting a cost per result is higher, your CPMs are low, your frequency low. That means if you turn that ads off, you will see huge loss in whole business in couple of days. Retargeting ads have high CPM, high frequency with higher efficiency and drive more conversions, right? If you see an having high CPM, high frequency but poor efficiency, that means that it is a really bad, that is really bad ad, and it is not good for retargeting also. If you see an ad having low CPM, low frequency but great efficiency, that means it's a really good prospecting. You are reaching out to the newer people and you are able to convert them with that ad. How to use this for analysis? With this analysis, you need to find which ad in your campaign need to be improved. First, we need to look at the ad which is earning spend. Prospecting ad should earn lot of spend. Prospecting ad should earn a lot of spend than retargeting ads. If prospecting ad should earn lot of spend than retargeting ads. If not, it is highly unlikely that you will not be able to scale them even if the results are good. This is why when you increase ad spend on some particular ads, it result drops. Now it will all make sense to you, right? That if that ad is not spending is so so what this thing mean is that if you see an ad that is giving you good result, but once you start scaling them, it falls because you are because it is not reaching out to the broader audiences, right? So let's so let's use these simple analysis to supercharge your results, simplify testing, and scale your account. So if prospecting ad has low CPM, right, and low frequency, but it is not running spend or it is not efficient, we have prospecting ad problem, and your whole creative testing should be focused on replacing that particular ad so that it can do much better job and get the more conversions for your get more conversions and get more conversions and do a better job. You need to find your missing link. You need to fix that missing link with the stronger ad. Same if you have a retargeting ad which is with high CPM and high frequency but efficiency is really bad, we have retargeting ad problems. Now we need to focus on creating ad that can now we need to focus on creating ad that can earn spend and high that can earn spend also, and it is very high efficient. Think of your ad as a team members, and every ad has a role to play. Some fill the funnels and some convert even in the same ad set. When you are struggling, you don't need to change the whole ads, or people start changing the structure every week and putting all the work on the rest of ads, right? Like they found two or three ads, now they launch those ads with a lot of budget, right? You need to find weak links and replace that ad that is not performing, right? It's about finding which ad is struggling. It's 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 about finding which ad is struggling and replacing that ad that can do better job, right? Think of your ad as a team members. Like if you have a team of seven people who are so think of Facebook ads as a team member. Let's say you have 8 team members and and your results are down. You need to find which out of those 8 people are not able to perform, right, and replace those members. If you change whole team, it will not work. You will always be in this cycle because you are not able to find the root cause of the problem. If you change the team, then if you change the whole team, there will be somebody else who is not performing xyz task, right? It is same with the Facebook ad. You need to find the team of ads that are converting also, giving us the good matrices also on the business side, and scaling them efficiently. So I hope this video makes sense to you, and if you have doubt regarding these analysis, you can reach out to me using the if you have any doubt, you can put it in the comment section. And I hope this video makes sense to you and it changes how you analyze your Facebook ads. Thank you.